I am a 2D artist working in the gaming industry. I'm crazy about character and concept design. I like to design characters and outfits, as well as drawing story rich illustrations in my free time. I like making fan art, as well as original character art, where I tell their story through my illustrations. Recently, I've been delving into backgrounds and overall exploring the environment and lighting as well. This is one of my recent works. I've been exploring a lot of environment art for games recently, and games such as Ghost of Tsushima and Genshin Impact inspired me to take it more seriously. I also believe that art is a way to tell stories. They're static, but one picture, as they say, can convey 1,000 words. I believe that you can tell any story through one picture. In my class, I'm hoping to show that by example. We will tackle fundamentals to help you jumpstart your artistic journey, from the basics of anatomy, some clothes design, coloring, simple backgrounds, composition, and many more. By the end of this course, I'm hoping that you'll be able to come up with an artwork with a strong visual impact, ready for printing, all with your own story to tell. I'm Nikki, and this is Creating Compelling Character Portraits 101.